you want to know how to make moi moi so delicious, nice looking, and that can call somebody that's even passing to come and eat because of its nice taste with a good aroma, you actually need to learn this. This is step by step on how I make this delicious moi moi. I started by putting the beans into my bowl, then pour water inside it. As I put water inside it, I covered it and allow it for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is okay, you don't need to soak it too much. Then after that, I put it into my blender, set my blender and make my blender to be loose so that it won't grind it, just to peel it. And then I started peeling it. Using blender is actually so fast, but even if you don't have blender, I'll still show you the way on how you can just do it very fast. So if you don't have blender, you can use mortar method. This is the best way on how you can use mortar method to peel moi moi, and it is actually very fast. People that are pro here, they even do it almost close to the speed of blender. Most people frying akara or making moi moi use this method, and it is very easy and fast for them. Then after peeling everything, I have to sieve it. I continued sieving because the beans must have to be so clean, but with blender everything is just so sharp. So I sieved and made sure that it is clean. At this point, see the beans, then I selected the remaining chaff inside it to make it more neat. Then after that, I proceeded to prepare the pepper that I will be using. Here I used shombo. You can use bell pepper. Any of them that you have, you can actually use it. They are both okay and they will come out nice. Then I opened and removed the seeds inside. Although removing the seed is a matter of choice. If you like the seed, you can use it like that. But to me, I prefer removing. Then after that, I move forward to cut the onion that I will be using. I cut to the size that will be okay to blend because I am going to be blending everything. So after that, I proceeded to blend everything, add the beans into my blender and the pepper and the onion. I added it into the blender as well. Then add little water so that it can easily blend and also to make the blender to last. Then I started blending. In case you want to know the name of my blender, this blender is Super Kingwood blender. At this point, I've blended to my taste and I proceed to process the egg that I will use. So I boil the egg and put the pot that I'll be using to cook the moi moi. Then added the amount of water needed to cook the amount of moi moi that I am preparing here. Then cover the pot because it is from the water that I'll be using to turn. So I carry the water, warm water, not cold water. From there, put into the moi moi, started turning it. When cooking moi moi, it is better you turn with warm water, not cold water, though it's a matter of choice. Then after adding water, I added crayfish. While adding water, you have to add it moderate. Don't add too much. When you add too much, it becomes watery. Then after that, I added oil. Groundnut oil is what I used. Then added the amount of groundnut oil that can be enough for the amount of beans that I am cooking. Then added salt, added again, that is if the need be, and turned everything together. Then I peel Maggi. I used 3 cubes of no Maggi for this, and then squeezed it and put it inside the moi moi and continue turning. I then turned to my taste and I proceeded to put it inside a ladle in which I'll be using to cook moi moi. Many people like moi moi, but cooking it is always difficult for them because of the processes like peeling the beans and the rest of them. But if actually you use these two method, blending method or mortar method, it will make everything just so easy and fast for you, and it will just come out so nice. But if you are using powdered beans, that means you have to skip the part of processing the mai mai entirely, and then just start putting every ingredient into the powdered one. Use hot water to turn everything, add all your ingredients, and start cooking. But with this fresh one, that you have to peel the beans fresh and I have to process everything, it is more tasty and always come out better than that powdered beans. Then I have to tie everything. While tying it, as I tie, I put inside a bowl. I did it like this so that I can put everything on fire at once. So this is everything, and it's time for me to offload inside the pot. Then I opened the pot and I started putting everything inside the pot. The reason why you should do this is to make everything to be done at the same time. If you are preparing and putting one, when you put one and go back to start tying one must be done before the other. But when you put everything at once, all of them will be done at the same time, and you will like the result. Please, if you are in Nigeria and you want to get the leather that you use to prepare moi moi, please ask them to give you strong one. You can ask them to give you moi moi leather, the one that cannot burst. Because if actually this type of leather that we see here, most of them, if care is not taken, if they not give you the original one, it may burst inside and you will not like it. I know this may be so funny to your hearing, but that is the fact. After adding the whole moi moi inside the pot, I have to cover the pot and start cooking. Then I cooked for 35 minutes and came back to check it. Then I opened the pot to check if it is done. So as I came, I check it is done, and I dish it out. Then it is time for me to open it and then know how the inside look like. I have to cut it. Honestly, from the time you are turning it, if actually your moi moi will come out nice, you know. When you do it well, it will come out nice. So I opened the moi moi, and this is the result. Yeah. If you make this type of moi moi to your husband, he will call you sweetie sweetie all throughout the week.